Hey all, Dr. John Hayes. Over the last couple months, we've had a lot of applications to license NeuropathyDR treatment centers. And you've seen our material, you've seen our other videos, but what I wanted to do today is just kind of give you an outline of what exactly licensing a treatment center involves and what the benefits are for you and your community. First of all, let's talk about our history. We've been doing peripheral neuropathy for a long time. In 2020, our research study, which looked at thousands of patients, was actually published in the journal EC Neurology. We have been manufacturing devices for the treatment of peripheral neuropathy, including our portable neurostimulator, which does many different wavelengths and forms, many of which are proprietary. We also published the best-selling book, Beat Neuropathy, which is in its second edition, soon to be third. And we also now manufacture for you and your patients a complete line of our research-based dietary supplements and nutrition support products. And there's much more that goes with it. So when people ask me about the cost, let me tell you this. So a typical patient comes to your practice and the first visit is around $200. When they treat in the office for the first 6 weeks, it's going to be approximately $1,500, could be more. And then they're going to need to have some support. And that support could include one or more of our treatment devices. And so the spend there for the patient is going to be around $600 to $800. And that's it. But when you take a look at that, you add it all up, that will cover, with 1 or 2 patients, your annual licensing fee. When you license a NeuropathyDR treatment center, you then get to use our research-based equipment and protocols and the dietary supplements and everything else we've devised to help these patients without you getting hosed and without hosing your patients. You know, one of the most disturbing things for me as a physician is now we get warned not to refer people that are in healthcare that have peripheral neuropathy because of some of the scams and the ridiculously high prices that are going on out there. That's not us. You've seen our other videos, you know much more about myself and what we do. But seriously, take a look at what you really want to accomplish for yourself. If you want to be part of a team whose major mission is to help patients and nothing else, you're golden. Because if you just do it the right way, you're never ever going to have to host people. You're never going to have to charge exorbitant fees that people just cannot afford. All right, guys, take care. Any other questions, concerns, let me know.